Hi, Nigel from Purple Line. We're going to explain to you how our interconnecting beams work and how we can adjust them and remove them if we need to repair them. These beams here, we have isolating valves on them. As you can see, if we give it a turn, we wind it in, isolates the beam. Do the same on the other end. We've now isolated that beam. You do it on every single one. Each beam now becomes individually isolated. So we can zone off individual areas. Here I am opening this up for deflation. We're going to work with this beam here. We're going to pretend that it is flat and we're going to take it out without dropping any of the other in it. So I'm zoning it. I am closed off the air valves on both ends. This unit here has now been isolated. I need to take out the interconnecting tubes, which is simply undoing the nut and pulling off the end. You'll notice there's a spring in there. That's to stop it collapsing. So we do the both at both ends. This beam is now held in place by a external skin. This one here will hold your LED lights. Under here there is another little zipper. We undo that. We're now able to remove the beam. We have a little bit of Velcro to hold it in place, and I'm going to let some air out, which will help me get it out of. So there we have it. Very, very simple to take out. We're going to show you how to repair it. We're ready to further deflate this and show you how we can quickly repair this. So what we have, again, our isolating valve. Let's open that and we can let all the air out. You'll notice here on the zipper, it is cable tied. It's cable tied for little fingers. We don't want them to get in there and start playing with it. Just remove the cable tie and we can get the zipper undone. What I'm doing here is I'm going to put my finger underneath the zipper so it doesn't pinch the bladder inside, and we're going to remove the zipper all the way along. As you'll see, we do have a special weight plastic, so we're pretending we've got a hole in it. We're going to patch it. We find out where the hole is, peel the backing off, place that over the area that has got the hole in it, and away we go. Obviously we're going to retrace our steps. The bladder is still back in there. Again, I'm putting my finger under here just to preserve the bladder when we are zipping it up and there's no catching. You will find another couple of cable ties in your little wee kit with the pegs and the ladders. Replace that tie. Now I'm going to put this back up onto the caravan. Putting it back up, simply doing it in reverse to how it was when we took it out. We're going to put it into position, remembering the Velcro on the back does make it easy for us. We take our inner zip, we zip it up, putting this tube back into place, and we'll do our LED strip. We then connect our interconnecting tubes, ensuring that the white outer tube is connected fully over the connecting nipple, and we do up the nut. Same on the other end. The nut's done up tight. We loosen our isolating valve on the tube. Now we're just going to inflate, and here we are back in business. You might need to get your pump out and repressurize your air beams, but at the end of the day it's up to you. This here's sitting nice and solid still. Happy camping. Hope you enjoy yourselves out there. Be safe. Thank you.